This is our Maytag top-loading washing machine. Purchased, it'll be 3 years at the end of March. So it's nearly 3 years old in 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Um, so about a month ago, uh, we noticed pieces of plastic in our wash. And those pieces of plastic, there we go, came from the hinges that broke out of both sides of the door. These hinges bear against plastic instead of having a steel rod that would go all the way through here and to take the strain of opening and closing. So we had an extended warranty on this, and the appliance repair guys came out and they ordered the parts that we needed. This morning they came out and they had a new lid for me in the box, all wrapped in foam inside of the box and all that good stuff. When he pulled it out of the box, the corner of the hinge was broken, just like this one is, only it was brand new. Not only was it broken in the corner, it was also broken in the center, and needless to say, that was not installed. He took it back and is ordering us another one. The Maytag that this replaced lasted us 16 years, and I gave it away, still working, probably still working today. This model here, 3 years, less than 3 years, and it's breaking up. And the sad thing is that even when this lid is replaced, I expect it to do the same thing again because has not been redesigned. Well, there you go. Made in the USA. Not what it used to be.